Welcome! In this tutorial, we are going to explain how to use the most important functions of our website, so you can get to know us and plan your trip to the Western Costa del Sol better. 6 areas, including specific information on monuments, accommodation, restaurants, leisure activities, business events, and other services can be accessed from the top of the page. Each of these have shortcuts to interrelated sectors. Going back to the home page, 3 large areas offering information can be found on the right-hand side, including information on upcoming events, which is highlighted. Some links to graphical and audio-visual information belonging to the section called Get to Know the Costa are located at the bottom of the page. Links to each of the 8 local authorities appear in the central section on the silhouette of the coast, as well as shortcuts to the areas which are consulted most. For those traveling with smartphones, it should be noted that there is a version to view all this information on these modern mobile handsets. If you register in the platform and create a user account, you can save all the information by saving it in the Favorites file. You can thus gain access to it the next time you enter. Creating this file is very easy. You only have to click on the active circle on any of the information records, whatever type they may be: cultural spaces, golf courses, shopping centers, beaches, basic services, etc. When you click on it, information is automatically saved in your file. Access can be gained to the file generated with the information thus chosen by clicking on the Favorites button in the Plan Your Trip drop-down menu. In that menu, you can delete any documents you are no longer interested in by marking the circle mentioned above with the mouse pointer. You can also print all these records or, as indicated above, save them in your user account for future connections. One of the website's main features is its large database. The search engine allows you to locate detailed information on any type of service. If you wish, you can, for instance, locate a hotel. To do so, click on the Where to Stay button and then the Accommodation shortcut. Let's look for a hotel called the Fuerte Marama Spa. A link will appear just by writing the word Fuerte in the search engine. You can then obtain all the information on the hotel by clicking on this link. There is also a very useful practical option called Booking Center, which allows you to query the prices and availability of the hotel selected, and, if you wish, it also allows you to make a booking easily and simply, thanks to e-commerce functionalities. On the hotel's information page, if you drag the icon to the hotel's location, you will see photos of its surroundings, thanks to the Google Street View tool. You can mark any services in the surrounding area you are interested in locating by using the Legend link. Their names appear on screen as you pass the cursor over the icons in the legend. In order to gain access to the specific data of any of these services, you only have to click on them, and detailed information on the place will appear in a text box. Remember that you can always add the record to My Favorites. There are links to Facebook, email, and Twitter, as well as to over 350 of the Internet's most important social networking sites, so you can share this information with friends. The How to Get There button allows you to calculate and plot a route from the city you write out as the place of origin. You have access to updated information on the main upcoming festive, cultural, and sporting events in the area, sorted by the date the event will be held in the Events on the Costa del Sol window. If you click on the View More Events button, other existing references will be displayed in the middle of the screen, which you can also add to My Favorites. The Get to Know the Costa section appears on all screens. It contains a link to the image gallery. The gallery allows you to view photos of the Costa's most attractive areas, sorted thematically. This section also appears on the home page in an exclusive box. The video channel offers you the possibility of viewing some of the Western Costa del Sol's most interesting sites in greater detail through attractive thematic videos. There is also a link to this channel on the home page. You are given the option of downloading a complete tourist guide on the Western Costa del Sol containing highly varied information on the network of existing services from both the Get to Know the Costa section as well as directly from the home page. Similarly, you can gain access to the specific guides published by each of the Costa's 8 local authorities. All of them are presented independently and contain more specific data on their leisure and entertainment offerings. You will find buttons giving you access to town centre maps, along with guides containing specific information on museums, heritage, outdoor and nature routes, gastronomy, etc., in each of the sections corresponding to these towns. In addition, you are provided with the 3-page leaflet editor to design, save and print your own tourist guide with the favorites you have saved during your browsing through the website. You only have to drag the different images to the boxes to lay them out as you like. Clicking on the download button provides you with a PDF file containing the information you have selected. From this point on, all you have to do is browse. Go for it!